Well, covering the rally for us today is our reporter Wassim Cornet, and he joins me now. Wassim, what have students been telling you about why it is that they're out in the streets?
Well, Nadia, today is 1 year exactly since the French authorities decided to put the country on lockdown, closing bars, restaurants, schools, and universities, of course. And this is just a really sad anniversary, and students really wanted to use this day to express their anger and frustration at the fact that they feel that they've been really left down by the government over the past 12 months over the course of this pandemic. They're asking the government to focus on the difficulties that they're experiencing. I've spoken to several students here, and many of them have been experiencing financial hardship. Of course, if bars and restaurants are closed and everyone has to stay home, then that means that a lot of students have lost their part-time jobs, maybe working in a restaurant or even babysitting for the neighbor's kids, for example. Many of them are also suffering from academic and social isolation. A large chunk of students across France have been going through distance learning almost non-stop for the past 12 months. So that is one of the main requests of student unions here today, asking authorities to reopen university campuses and classes at around 50% capacity, because they say it is absolutely vital for these students to be back in classrooms, to be able to talk to other students in person, to see their professors in person. One thing that the government has done so far is to give psychiatrist checks to each student. Each student is now entitled to 3 45-minute sessions with a psychiatrist or a psychologist. Students say that's not enough, and even mental health experts say that's not enough to barely even scrape the surface of what we've been going through for the past year. Nadia?
Wassim Cornet for us there in central Paris. Thank you very much indeed.